Welcome to the new St. Paul's Hospital project in downtown Vancouver. This $1.7 billion facility, built by PCL Construction, will open in 2027, redefining patient-centered care, research, and sustainability. To set the project up for success, PCL deployed a robust BIM execution plan, streamlining design, construction, and operations. Tools like Revisto for clash detection and virtual reality mock-ups added precision and speed, while drone mapping and robotics improved layout accuracy. Integrated production tracking dashboards merge design, schedule, and field data across 2 million square feet. The project supports Vancouver's Community Benefits Agreement, promoting local hiring and inclusive growth. This hospital is a blueprint for resilient, digitally empowered healthcare. Built by PCL, powered by innovation, and designed for generations to come.